Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny and today I'm talking about how to do pregnancy massage. So when I was pregnant, I joined a fitness class with other moms, and at the end of every fitness class, or almost every fitness class, we would do a massage on each other using a tennis ball or a ball similar to this one that has little bumps on it. So today I'll have my husband helping me, and I'll go through and show you some different techniques your partner can do, or your friend, or for a very effective and relaxing pregnancy safe massage. Okay, so my husband is here today helping me, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get yourself a nice firm ball. I'm using 2 tennis balls today. I'll start off with 1 tennis ball just to show you the technique, and then I will use 2 tennis balls and show you how I would do the massage in the class. So with the 1 tennis ball, basically you want to start on the shoulder area and just kind of roll the ball up towards the neck and then back down the shoulder. You can also do a circular motion and work the ball in a circular motion up the shoulder and up to the neck. When you're working in the neck area, you don't want to push too firmly, but when you're in the shoulder area, sometimes more firm pressure works really well. And basically that's what you want to do. That's the technique you want to use on the whole back. So you're going to go down the side near the spine, but you don't want to roll on top of the spine because that's really painful. So make sure you go on either side of the spine. So you can just roll up and down like this, all the way down to the bottom of the spine, or you can roll the ball like this, again working your way all the way down to the bottom of the spine. Another good technique is to roll the ball sideways like this. So you start at the shoulder, then move down and work sideways, and move down and work sideways, and move down and work sideways. Again, never crossing that center area of the spine. And then when you get down to the bottom area near the butt area, you're going to put a little more pressure again in this area because it can often be very tense. And then you push in, and again you can do the side to side motion, or the more lateral or diagonal motion, or you can do the rolling motion. So as you're massaging your partner, you want to ask them frequently if the pressure is too light or too strong, and they can tell you to push the ball harder or push the ball more gently. Usually when I would massage the other moms in class, they like more of a firm pressure because it is more relaxing and it releases the tension in the muscles better. For pregnant women, it's always better to be in a seated position. So in class, we would always sit on the mat, or you can also sit on a bed or a couch or a chair. But I wouldn't do this laying on your stomach, obviously, because that could hurt the baby. You could try it on your side, but really just in a seated position is better. Now I'll show you how to do this with 2 balls or 2-hand technique. If you only have 1 ball, then you can do it across the whole back with just one ball. So you would work one side first and then move over to the other side and do the other side. But if you have 2 tennis balls, then you can do both sides at the same time, and it's even more relaxing. So like I said in the beginning, you start up near the shoulders and the neck, and you want to work from the outside inward, and you just roll, and you ask your partner, is this a good pressure, or do you want it harder or softer? So is this a good pressure?
Harder.
Harder. So because he's a guy, his muscles are going to be more tense. So you push it in harder, and then you work your way up to the neck. Again, be careful around the neck area. You're going to use lighter pressure. And then you can start using the rolling technique. And I would spend about 5 to 10 minutes in the shoulder area. The shoulder really holds a lot of tension. But if you don't have a lot of time and you just want a really quick massage, then just a couple minutes. Then you're going to start rolling down the back. Again, avoid rolling over the spine. You are rolling on both sides of the spine, not on the spine. And you just roll down slowly and firmly all the way down until you reach the end of the spine. And then when you get to the end of the spine, you're going to roll your way back up. You could take your hands off and start at the top again, but rolling it back up is more fluid than taking your hands off of the person. Then once you get to the top, then you're going to roll the ball all the way down the spine. And when you get to the bottom, you're going to roll your way back up the spine. Or I should say, roll your way back up the back to the shoulder area. And when you get here, then you're going to start doing diagonal motions, side motions, all the way back down. And then once you get to the bottom, you do the side motion all the way back up the spine. So you really just work your way back up and down and up and down and up and down. And then a lot of pregnant women have a lot of pain in their lower back. And so this is a really good spot to release tension. And everyone that I massaged in my fitness class, they loved this area being massaged. So this area, I mostly just do a lot of the circular motion or the side-to-side motion. And I would really focus on this area and also on the shoulders. Sometimes the ball will slip, but you just keep going. And so if you can do this for 15 minutes, you will be in total bliss. So that's how I do my massage. And when you're done, you just tell your partner, okay, you're done. If you'd like to try a little bit of variation, you can try a ball with some texture to it. This is actually our baby's toy. It's not that good for a massage ball because it has a hole, so it's kind of squishy, but you can get textured balls usually at an athletic store or maybe even online or at a massage store. and this will give a different feeling than if you use a tennis ball. So that was my video on how to do pregnancy massage. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.